Hello and welcome to Yoga Studies Institute. I'm Teresa, and today I wanted to present the theme we will be working with during this month. It is the 5 layers of the onion. It is one of the most famous topics in yoga, and it's called the Panchakoshas. So in this presentation, we will discuss these 5 layers of a person using the metaphor of the onion. So in a person, the most outer layer is the body, what we can touch and see, the flesh, the bones. The second layer, coming inwards, would be everything that feeds the body, what we eat, what we drink, but most importantly is the breath, because we can't be more than seconds without breathing. So the second layer would be the breath. The third layer is called prana. Prana is life force or vital force. So our subtle body, it's like a network of tiny pipes. They are made of stuff that we can't touch and we can't grab. So it is like a network of these pipes that goes all around our body. And within these channels runs the prana or the subtle energy. Then the fourth layer would be the thoughts. So prana is really interconnected with thoughts. This is the magical place where the physical meets the mental. So there is a sentence in Tibetan to describe this, that it's Lung Sem Chukpa Chikpa. It says, prana and thoughts ride together like a horse and a rider. So they are really interconnected. So the fifth layer would be the seeds, the seeds. This is every thought we have, every act we do, everything we say plants a seed that after will ripen as the reality we'll see. So after all these 5 layers, we get to the core. And what is it at the core of the onion? Actually, we see there's no core. The core is empty. So after these layers, we get to emptiness. And the magical thing of yoga is that we can work from the inside out and from the outside in. Let's give an example. We start doing a practice of yoga and asanas. We are working with the body. The way we work with the body affects our breath and how we breathe during the poses. The type of breath that we are having affects our prana and how the prana moves inside our subtle body. As prana and thoughts are really interconnected, this prana will affect the type of thoughts we have during the practice or during the day. And these thoughts will plant some seeds that eventually after will ripen as the world we see. So as you see, we started working with the body and we affect all the other layers. And we can do the same from the inside out. This is, for example, we try to focus on having thoughts of love and compassion. These thoughts come from seeds that we planted in the past that are ripening as these thoughts we are having. These thoughts of love and compassion will affect the prana and where the prana is running, in which channels of our subtle body the prana is running. And how the prana moves will affect our breath and the kind of breathing we are having. And how we breathe will affect how our physical body looks like. So as you see, we can work from the inside out and the outside in. So I hope you enjoy this theme, that it's really, really powerful. And I hope that you enjoy all the yoga classes during this month.